Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a quick video since I haven't uploaded anything just to get something out. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little like challenge sort of thing, and I don't know how often I'm gonna do this, but I might do a couple of these sort of challenges. So it's gonna be like a guess the sound challenge. So if the first person to get this right will get like a shout out in my next video or something, or the shout out once they get it right. Yeah, say in the description exactly what you think this is, and if you're right, I'll give you a shout out. But only one guess per person. So yeah, I'm gonna do the sound, and I guess you guys can guess it. I mean that's what the point is, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and just play the sound, and by play it I mean actually do it in real life, but. So there might be an error, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. So hopefully you guys can hear this well. Might need to turn up your volume. Okay, yep. The sound landed on my phone, sort of. It kind of made a weird sound. Wait. It hit the wall, the middle of the bunk. Yeah, that's the sound. Good luck. Bye.